If you're watching this around August 1st, then this video was meant to find you because I feel like this is the month where you get to experience stability for the first time in your life. And this is something you've been working towards for a while, but now you really, really get to enjoy it. And you get to kick back and relax and enjoy the rest of summer, not feeling stressed, not feeling overextended, just knowing that you are at the right place at the right time for the first time in a long time. And I feel like at this point, a lot of things are coming full circle. That's what I'm picking up on. The right resources, the right people, the right circumstances are all coming in at this very moment. Something that you have been asking for a very long time is now appearing as if it is magic. And this is God working on your behalf in the unseen because you've come back to tie off these loose ends and to commit to this life that you envision for yourself and wanting to be the best person that you could be in all areas of your life, and just proving to yourself that you can achieve these things, that you are capable of finishing what you started and showing up with integrity and accountability and responsibility. And that's when doors open for you, my friend. So that's what I'm picking up on in August, what is coming through at this time, because July was a very intense month, and this is where the heat really picked up, and it gets to a point where it's unbearable and it's so intense that it almost stalls all your progress. And now things are finally coming to that more stabilized place. Now that you've established a lot of changes in your life recently from that intensity, from that progression, maybe it's going to continue into the coming months towards the end of summer, but I feel like it's not going to be as hard. It's going to be more enjoyable moving forward. So this is what I'm picking up on in the month of August for anybody who is watching this video. And if you've made it this far, let me know in the comments. Let me know if this resonates, because I truly feel like 2026 is a year that's going to surprise us as it continues to unfold. And we're just a little bit more than halfway. We're getting into the second half of 2026, and it feels like it's going to be Christmas in no time. But we really do have like a little under 6 months left of 2026. And I want you to lock in going forward, because this is going to really change your perspective of what has occurred over the last 6 months, because it's just going to keep compounding and building upon itself and getting better and better and better. And 6 months from now, you will be thanking yourself for not giving up, for not feeling as frustrated as you could have at this very moment. So hang in there. Let me know if this resonates, and put 888 in the comments to claim this message, to lock in. Let me know if you're ready. Send this to others who need to hear this blessing, because this is for everyone who needs to hear it, and it really helps support this channel. Otherwise, I appreciate you and love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.